What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing guys a very simple way that you can go and promote affiliate offers on Clickbank and make a lot of money on complete autopilot. I'm going to show you guys one niche I can go and use and actually make a lot of money in. And this is a niche that many people are not promoting affiliate offers in, but I'm going to show you guys how to go and promote affiliate offers in and actually make a lot of money on complete autopilot. If you want to go and make money, your first money starting as soon as today, what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, you're going to make sure to go and watch this particular video step by step to the end, and you're also going to make sure to go and take action on this method, because this method 100% works. But if you're not going to take any action, you're not going to see any results. You can go and do this and make your first $100 to $200 with 100% free traffic with this exact strategy I'm going to show you guys in this particular method, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and promote affiliate offers in the niche that many people are desperate to go and have problems solved inside. So once you want to make a lot of money fast online, you have to go and go to niches that many people are desperate for solution. They're looking for solutions every single day, and many people are going to go and be willing to buy the affiliate offer no matter the cost. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. I'm going to show you guys a desperate niche that you can promote affiliate offers in. I'm going to show you guys how to go and get in front of the customer. I'm going to show you how to go and promote the right affiliate offer. And when they buy that affiliate offer, you're going to go and earn a commission. So I'm going to show you guys how to go and do all of that step by step. So that's, guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and be notified when I post new videos just like this one that can help you guys start making money online. As you can see from me, I post a lot of videos that can help you guys to make money online using free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, etc. on Clickbank, Digital24, and a lot more other methods. And most of the methods are mostly free methods that you can go and use and make a lot of money. And the method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, if you want to go and make your first money on Clickbank, you can go and make your first money starting as soon as today with this simple free traffic method, because I'm going to show you guys up to 2 methods to go and get a lot of free traffic to these desperate niche offers, and also the best niche offers to go and promote, and how to go and actually get a lot of conversions from it using 100% free tools. You don't have to go and create any website at all. You don't have to go and collect email addresses. And I'm going to show you guys how to go and put yourself in front of a customer that's going to be interested in that particular product, and they're always looking for a solution for that offer, and you're just going to go and send them the affiliate offer, and you're going to go and get a lot of sales with this method right here. So that's, guys, also want to learn my most recommended method to go and make money online, my step-by-step training, guys, that show you guys how to go and make money on Clickbank using free traffic methods and paid traffic methods. Be sure to go and click the first link in the description. I can get the training right now at 80% off. I can use it and start making some money. As many students are taking action on this method right here are already making a lot of money on Clickbank and Digital24, promoting the affiliate offers using the free methods and the paid methods that I show you guys inside the training, because they all 100% work. If you're going to take action on the methods that I share inside the training, you're going to guarantee to make money with the free methods or even the paid traffic methods. So that's, guys, so let's get into the method. Let me show you guys step by step what to go and do from here. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let me show you guys step by step what to go and do from here, and you're going to find people that are desperate for solutions, and you're going to provide them that solution on Clickbank. You can see from here, I'm going to show you guys step by step what you can do from here and make your first sale starting as soon as today. So the first step you're going to do from here is you're going to go to the marketplace. So let's go to the marketplace right here on Clickbank. You're going to look for an offer you can go and promote from here and make some money right here in these desperate niches that people are looking for solutions for their problems from here. So there are a lot of affiliate offers on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace that can go and promote. There's going to solve people's problem, and most of these offers that I'm going to show you guys in this particular video are not very popular, but it's actually converting very well, and I've promoted some of these products from here and I've actually make some good money. So this is 100% working method. So the first product I'm going to show you guys in this particular method right here is you're going to go and search, for example, for acne. So you can see from here, let me type example acne and just click on search. You're going to see this is a product. It's actually a problem that many people are suffering with every single day, but you can go and actually make a lot of money from here. So this one right is in Spanish. We're going to look for one that is in English. So this one is French. Let me show you guys one affiliate offer from here that actually converts very well. You can see this offer right here. It's called Acne Normal. This offer has been selling on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace for about 10 plus years right now, and still converting very well on Clickbank. I can go and promote this and make a lot of money. So I see from here the graph is only 3, but many people are actually making a lot of money from here. The only thing is that many people don't know how to go and actually promote these affiliate offers and make money, but I'm going to show you guys the best way to go and promote this and make a lot of money to people that are already interested in buying this particular product, because they're desperate to go and look for a solution. You can see from here, so you can see it's more than 10 years that this offer has been selling. You can see it's the best seller since 2003. So this offer has been selling since 2003 right here on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, and still converting very well all year round, because many people are always looking for ways to go and get rid of the acne, just like this one right here. So you go to the sales page with the offer right here, and let's go to the affiliate support page of this offer. I can see from here they're going to pay you up to $40 per sale promoting this particular offer from here. And see the simple video sales page that's going to help people to go and get rid of the acne right here in this particular video. So this video is going to go and do all the selling. All you're going to do, you're going to look for someone that's suffering from this problem from here. You're going to bring it to the sales page, and this page is going to do all the selling because they also want to go and have a clear face just like this and get rid of the acne from here. I just scroll down from here, you can see there are a lot of testimonials from here of more than 137,000 customers, as you can see from here, and that's going to help you to go and get a lot more conversion. All you're going to do to go and make money from this product is that you're going to make sure to go and present it in front of the person that is already interested to go and look for a solution of acne from here. You want to get very targeted people to this particular sales page to go and get sales, and that's what I'm going to show you in this particular video. So after acne from here, what you can go and promote as well is this one right here. So let me go and show you guys right here. You're going to type example scar, simple example scars, and just click on search. We're going to find some affiliate offers from here. You can see this product is called right here. It's called the Scar Solution Fast Natural Scar Remover from Home. So many people used to have acne like this. Many of them actually many of them used to go and get rid of their acne, but most of them used to go and have a lot of scars that remain after they have gotten rid of the acne from here. So you're going to make sure to go and promote the two of these products from here, so you can go and promote them, and they are going to go and go together. So let's check out the sales picture of this offer from here. And also you can see from here, you're going to pay up to $22 per sale promoting this offer right here. So you can see from here, it's a very simple text sales page from here, and it's going to help people on how to go and get rid of their scar from their body, for example acne scars and other scars, etc. So you're going to make sure to go and promote these products right here together. So the next step from here is that once I find these offers from here, they want to go and use and promote their affiliate offer and make some money. The next step from here is going to create a very simple landing page. So to go and create a landing page from here, you're going to make sure to go and create a landing page on Linktree. So Linktree is 100% free. Just go to Linktree and you're going to sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account on Linktree, you're going to log into your account and you're going to create simple links from here. You're going to create 2 links from here promoting these 2 products from here, this acne solution from here, and also the scar solution right here, this scar method from here. So you're going to click on this, you're going to click on add new link, and you're going to add the first link. So let's add the first link from here, and you can go right, for example, you can go and promote the first one right here, for example acne normal. So let me just copy this one, for example. Let me just copy this. I'm just going to use it as my headline right here on Linktree. Let me put as my headline. For example, get acne clear skin. For example, acne clear skin in 7 days. For example, get acne clear skin in just 7 days. And that's, guys, you're going to input the link back to your affiliate offer from here. You're going to go back to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You're going to click on promote on that first product. You're going to get your link, and you're going to input it on this first option from here. So let me just get the sales page of this offer right here, and let me just input it right here for this option, for this particular example right here. So this is an example, but you're going to make sure to go and input the link back to your own affiliate offer right here. So let me just paste it right here for this example. Next, you're going to click on add new link, and there's, guys, you're going to get the second product from here. So other product from here, get clear skin. And that's, guys, you're going to input right here inside this particular Linktree, and you're going to input the second link right here promoting these 2 products right here at once, because these 2 products are going to go and go together. So let me just write, for example, get rid of scars. For example, in just 10 days, you can go and input anything like this. And that's, guys, you're going to go back to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You're going to click on promote. You're going to input the link back to your offer right here. So let me just copy the sales page of this one right here. For example, you're going to go back to Linktree, input the URL right here, and that's, guys, your landing page is already done. And you can go and use this landing page to go and promote your own affiliate offer. So that's, guys, so let's check out the landing page from here. I'm going to say when somebody comes to your link on Linktree, they're going to see these options from here. You can see from here, and that's, guys, somebody click on any of these links from here, you're going to but they can go and buy the offer, and you're going to earn a commission. I also can go and change this right here. If you want this one to be at the top, you can just go and drag and drop like this. Very easy on Linktree, and it's all 100% free. So you're going to copy this link right here that they're going to give you on Linktree, and you're going to go and use it to go and promote your affiliate offer. So the first way that I'm going to show you guys to go and promote this offer right here is by using Twitter free traffic, and I'm also going to show you guys the second way to go and get a lot more traffic to go and make sales promoting this particular offer right here. So that's so the first step you're going to do is you're going to go to your Twitter account. You're going to click on the search bar, and you're going to input in quotes. You're going to input right here, for example, how to get rid of acne, how to get rid of acne. And that's, guys, you're going to close the quotes, and that's, guys, this is going to look like this. How you're going to go and search right here on Twitter. Once I click on this, you're going to click on search, It's going to show a lot of people that are suffering from acne and are looking for ways to go and get rid of acne. If I scroll down from here, you can see from here, these are people that are tweeting this every single day. You can see from here, mentally disturbed, get rid of acne, because it's a desperate niche. Many people right here are actually looking for desperate solutions to go and get rid of this acne from here. If I scroll down from here, you're going to find a lot of other ones from here. You can see how to get rid of acne scars. So if somebody go and click on that link, they can go and buy either the acne scar solution or they can go and buy the acne solution from here. So the two of these products are going to go and go together. So you can see from here, many people are already writing this every single day right here on Twitter. And you can see from here, you can just go and what you're going to do from here is like you can just go and reply to them, and you're going to send them a link back to Linktree. Because if you're going to be using, for example, your direct affiliate links, most of the times Twitter is going to go and block your links. So you're going to be using, for example, Linktree, your links are not going to get blocked on Twitter. So you're going to copy this link from here, you can go and short it, for example, on Bitly or on Tiny URL. And you're going to make sure to go and reply to these people right here that are looking for ways to go and get rid of the acne or the acne scars right here on Twitter. So this is just one keyword from here. So we're going to change the keywords. So let me show you guys another example. So just an example, how do I get rid of pimples? You can see from here, how do I get rid of pimples? It's another keyword. You can see from here, these are people that are writing right here every single day. They're trying to go and get rid of their pimples. They also want to get rid of the acne scars, etc. right here. And you can go and give them a simple solution. You can see from here. So what you're going to do is you're going to just go and click on this. You can just go and click on reply. And you're going to write a very simple message from here. So let me show you guys an example what you can go and write from here. So for example, this is the method that I use. For example, this is the method that helped me get rid of my own acne. And that's, guys, you're going to start a call to action. For example, check it out here. Check it out here. And that's, guys, what you're going to do now is you're going to copy a link. You can go right here, you're going to copy a link. And that's, guys, you're going to paste it right here inside your tweet. So I recommend that you go and shorten this, for example, on Bitly or on Tiny URL before you go and input it right here inside your tweet right here on Twitter. So that's, guys, you can go right like this. And that's, guys, by the end, you can go right, for example, tag me later, or anyone. You can go right, for example, tag me later. And that's, guys, since this is a desperate solution, many people are going to actually click on this link, and many people are going to go and actually buy that offer because the offer itself actually converts very well, and also the offer is actually providing them a real solution. That's why the offer has been selling for a very long time on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So that's, guys, you're going to input, make sure to go and shorten this link, and that's, guys, you're just going to click on reply. And you're going to reply to all of these people that are looking for ways to go and get rid of their acne right here on Twitter. You can get a lot of targeted traffic and make a lot of money. So you don't need to go and have a lot of people that are going to come to this page. All you're going to do is you're going to be needing people that are interested in this particular solution to go and click on your link and go back to your sales page, because many people are going to end up buying the offer. And that's, guys, let me just discard this one right here for this example. And that's, guys, you're going to make sure to go and click on latest. For example, if I click on top, sometimes you're going to see tweets of people that have been tweeting since, for example, 1 year ago. For example, you can see 2020, 2019. You don't want to go and reply to this type of people that are tweeting, for example, 2017 right here. So that's why you're going to make sure to go and click on latest, and you're going to see a latest people that are actually inputting this type of keywords from here. You're going to reply to the latest people. So you're going to be one of the first people to go and reply, and also you can go and get a lot of clicks because it means that these people are actually active on Twitter, and many of them are going to actually see your reply. So that's, guys, you're going to make sure to go and input a lot of keywords from here. So you can see from here how to get rid of acne. If you add, for example, how to get rid of acne on face, for example, and let's see, you can go and find some other options from here. And as you guys can see some results from here. So people are trying to go and get rid of acne that are really writing right here on this particular website. So that's, guys, this is the first method to go and use and get a lot of very targeted traffic, because if you're going to input any keyword from here, you're going to go and get a lot more different search results. So just have examples to get rid of, for example, pimples. That's, guys, just click on search. You're going to find different results from here. If you're going to write, for example, get rid of acne, you're going to find a lot of other options from here and a lot of different results from here. People are tweeting this every single day on Twitter. So that's, guys, you're going to make sure to go and input a lot of different keyword search terms from here to go and get a lot more results, so they can go and actually send people this message and promote your offer and actually make a lot of money. So you can go and make money consistently on this particular method from here. What you're going to do is you're going to make some money from here. You can go and take that money and reinvest it back on paid traffic methods like Google Ads, etc. It's going to help you to go and make a lot more money faster. So the second method to go and actually get a lot of traffic and make a lot of money by promoting offers like this one right here in the desperate niche is by going to Facebook. So Facebook has a lot of communities that you can go and promote your affiliate offers in and actually make a lot of money. So I see from here, I just have example acne on the search bar on Facebook from here. I can see if I click on groups, you're going to find a lot of groups from here that have a lot of members that are suffering from acne and they're looking for ways to go and get rid of their acne. You can go and provide them, for example, simple free articles, etc. And those guys can go and send them a link back to your affiliate offer. And you can see from here, you're going to be selling this right here, acne scars and also acne removal solution. Many of them are going to go and buy these two affiliate offers from here because they're looking for ways to go and get rid of their acne. So you can see from here, these are different groups from here. You can see 9,000 members, you can see 17,000 members, 10,000 members. So you don't need to get a lot of traffic. All you're going to do is you're going to make sure to go and get very targeted traffic. With targeted traffic, you can go and actually make a lot of money very fast from this simple method right here. So that's guys, a simple method you can go and use and start making money right now for 100% free by promoting affiliate offers on Clickbank right now. And you can go and do this right here, guys, starting as soon as today. And that's guys, if you found value in this particular video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And you're going to see notified when I post new videos just like this one that can help you guys start making some easy money very fast online. So that's guys, also want to learn my most recommended method to go and make money online fast using free traffic methods and paid traffic methods that I'm using. Be sure to go and click the first link in the description. I can go and get my simple step-by-step method. So that's guys, take action on this and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.